One of the most exciting aspects of the creative process is selecting your program concept. The potential for any guard's success begins with the program concept and how that idea will evolve to present the skills of both designer and performer. When in this planning mode, the design team should keep in mind how accessible the show will be, both to the performers and to the audience. Appeal and relativity play significant roles in inviting the audience into the show, while also involving the students in a believable and natural portrayal of their character. The program concept is the story through which you will design. You can approach this in one of two ways. Perhaps a piece of music will inspire you to design a story around it. Or you will have an independent idea that you will support with suitable musical choices. In determining your story, try to be unique and select a subject that will resonate with both your performers and your audience. Be sure you consider and design the personality identity of the character the students will portray. Know in advance what kind of emotional response you want to evoke from the viewer, and be sure the performers are capable of presenting those qualities. The sooner the audience understands your program intent, the greater the potential for success. A sound program concept becomes your blueprint for the development of your show. Let your program concept direct your choices of soundtrack, floor, props, costumes, character and personality of the performers, etc. This is a large part of the production value of your idea. In the examples, the floor design serves to illustrate the program concept, offering the viewer a connection to the design while enhancing the production value of the stage. This does not mean one cannot be successful with a simple floor. This is just a possibility to consider.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances.
Many guards will create a show involving props. This choice has the potential to enrich the recognition of the concept, add a layer of dimensionality and architectural detail to the design, and in some ways govern the staging of the various effects. If used, their application should be planned carefully. This design focuses the entire show on the development of a game of dominoes, transforming plain white flats into game pieces. They contribute to the staging and pacing of the effects, and add an aspect of originality and creativity to the story. They are also successful in producing that great ending to the program. The manipulation of these expandable strips brings dimension to the design, while showcasing equipment and body in a unique delivery. Their originality will draw the audience in, make them more memorable, and influence their choices in staging. You can see how this concept, jumping through hoops, is captured by the use of the circles that not only add to the production value of the stage and show, but enrich the concept. They immediately tell you their premise, then move into a brisk soundtrack that drives the development of this fast-paced program. The props add an architectural and dimensional quality to the look of the show and become a pivotal emphasis around which staging and events occur. When carefully considered, props can be major assets in showcasing your ideas. Frequently, the presence of props will help your show to stand out and be remembered.